Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is October the 30th, 2022. Yes, Meta got crushed, Meta crashed, however you want to put it. Meta plummets, Meta is dead. We can say all those things, right? But take a look. I talked about this, looking for Meta to go down on October the 20th or 22nd. Here it is. So I'm not surprised, right? Everyone has been conducting videos after the earnings of Meta, and now they're trying to come in and say, well, should you buy it now? Obviously, you shouldn't. I mean, you got to think about the price action into the market in Meta. So many people in Meta, once formerly known as Facebook, came into the market and played and have been producing videos saying that you need to come in and buy the market. And the market in Meta is just completely dead. You should not even be anticipating a buying opportunity right now in Meta. You shouldn't. I'm just going to keep it real. Why would you want to come in and buy a stock that looks like this? That is in a massive downturn. I mean, since the high into the market in Meta, Facebook, the market is down 75%. Like, why would you even produce videos and tell people that they need to come in and support this stock when it's completely broken? The overall market doesn't like Meta. So if the overall market doesn't like it, then guess what? We don't like it either. We are following the market. That's the name of the game, is to pay attention to what the market is doing, and we do exactly what they do so that we can win into the market. That's how we was able to get this price prediction correct on my last video on October 22nd. This is the reason why. So congratulations to those who also saw the same thing of anticipating Meta to go down because you actually won. This is how we do this. 12.5% there. If you were to get on the close of Friday, check that out. 23.5%. Simple, easy, not hard to understand. Now take a look at this. We got to talk though, because I don't think people in the market or those who are producing content don't understand the market. Okay, so let me show you this. Okay, and I'm going to show you how the market confirmed that Meta is broken. The market determined that Meta or Facebook is broken. You can't fix it. It's broken. And this is when it happened. Just off the chart right here. This weekly price bar right here is telling us that the market in Amazon was broken. Right here. The week of January the 31st, 2022, this is when the market determined that Meta is no longer a buying opportunity. This is a seller's market in Meta. That is showing to you right there. And then you have this weekly price bar in Meta again that is confirming to us that this is a seller's market. Don't pay attention to what people are telling you. Pay attention to the market. The market is the grand wizard that is directing and coordinating the price action, not what one person says. We need to get the collective understanding of the market, not just one person on YouTube. We need to look at the chart because the chart is the collective playground of everybody who has an interest in these stocks. What is so hard for people to understand that? One person's opinion does not dictate what Meta's going to do. Whether it's Jim Cramer, whether it's some Wall Street analyst on Wall Street who covers Meta, that is just one person out of millions of people who play in the market in Meta. It's asinine for people to follow what one person thinks. That's why I want to pay attention to the charts when it comes to stocks and cryptocurrencies and Forex and commodities, because I want to know what everyone is thinking. You should too. So look what happened last week. If anyone's trying to tell you to come in and buy the dip in Meta, or now this is a buying opportunity, they were probably the same people who came in during this week and said you need to come in and buy Meta too. They were probably the same people that told you to come in and buy Meta when it's at $100, $190 and $200. And now the market is below 100. Be careful what people are saying, because if the price chart doesn't gel with what they're saying, you definitely don't want to follow them, period. Now, if what they're saying is true and accurate to the chart, so like, let me give you an example. I've been telling you all that Meta's going to go down, right? You need to follow me because I've told you what the market was reflecting on the price chart. Now, if I was telling you that Meta was a buy and that you need to come in and buy the stock, and you guys can clearly see that price in Meta is not going up, then why would you want to listen to me? Right? Yes, be careful of what people are saying, because they're going to put you in some very precarious situation that you will have to get yourself out of, and not them. So let's look at this on the monthly chart though, because I think you guys can see it. I'm going to zoom out of the chart, And we are hitting some areas in the market in Meta's price that is not confirmed as support yet. These are very shallow areas of support. We need to see the market in Meta hold support for a substantive amount of period of time. We need to see that. And right now, this market in Meta is still in free fall. It's still there. And you guys can see that I originally wanted to see buyers into the market in Meta coming around 115. And obviously, they didn't do it. They did not come in and keep price above 115. So obviously, that is not support. So what we're going to do now is we're going to find the next level. And it is going to be down here. Okay. Now, needless to say, I'm seeing this area, but I'm also seeing this area right here. Scary times, I know. Because you have people on YouTube, people on social media, people on mainstream media telling you to buy the dip in Meta. And the market is coming all the way back to where it was 5 years ago. Well, I was saying 2015. 2015. Okay. 2015. They want you to hold stock for 10 years, right? That would be 2025. Yeah, 3 more years. The ones who told you to hold Meta for 10 years, pay attention to this. Like, this is real talk. Look at this. So if you bought Meta in 2015 on the low of this weekly price bar right here, let me zoom in. Okay. Price was around what, $71. You have the idea, you're planning to hold Meta for 10 years, right? But the market reached a high in 2021. Okay, so from 2015 to 2021, 6 years. 6, right? 6 years, not 10, 6. So this is you profiting in the market move for 6 years. Meta went up, or Facebook went up 438%. Now that's 6 years, but you have placed in your mind that you're going to hold the stock for 10 years because somebody told you to. I don't understand why people tell you all to do that. This is a very fantastic run. I get it. You would have held the stock for 6 years. Hey, you would have got 438%. Now, since you are planning on holding the stock for 6 years, your profitability or your profit now stands at 38%. Now, in the next, you still got 3 years though. All right. You still got 3 years before the market hits 10 years in your position of you holding this one stock. You saw it go from 438% back down to 38. You lost 400% profitability already. Do you want to take that chance of losing all of it? Because the market in Meta hasn't found the bottom just yet. Okay, it hasn't. So let me do this here. I'm looking for the price in Meta to go down. Okay. Now, as long as the price in Meta stays below $122, we're going to expect that. That price is still weak. The 2 price targets I'm going to put on this video right now is going to be here around 88. That's another 11% market move. That's my first price target. My second one is going to be, well, I'm going to do 3. My second one is going to be here around 82. Let's just do $82, 17 3/4. And then my third one is going to be here around 72.50. Okay. So now let me cut this out. I'm gonna keep this one here, the support area in there around 88. I'm gonna get rid of this one right now. Put this back on the daily chart. Let's go ahead and zoom this out and bring this in closer. Let's do this, bring this all the way through. Okay. There it is. All right, so let's see how low the market in Meta is going to go. Like I said, the market is broken. We definitely need to see. I'm going to be surprised though to see the market in Meta go up. So from out the gate, you know, don't be surprised if Meta goes up. You can also play the market move to the upside on a short time frame. This is not like a long-term buy and hold. But yeah, if the price in Meta goes up, which it needs to because it's been going down, seemingly almost every day, we would expect the buyers to try to come back into the market. In Meta, you guys can kind of see it here that it's not happening though, right? See, check this out. I really want you all to try to see the chart as a living organism. It's a living and breathing entity that tells us how it's thinking and what it feels. So you have Meta right here, right? You guys can see that after earnings came out, market completely fell, but it hasn't recovered. It hasn't lifted price back up, right? This is Meta. Look at this chart versus Amazon. Okay. Earnings came out in Amazon, but the market lifted back up. This tells us how people involved in these separate markets think. More people are bullish or expecting Amazon to be a buy than they are Meta. Understand this. This is not hard. This is not rocket science. More people are putting bets on Amazon going up than they are in Meta. Look at that. Amazon went up after earnings. Facebook or Meta didn't. Period. That's proof right there to tell you where the money is going or what people are placing the bets on. They're not feeling positive about Meta. So neither should we. All right, so I'm through. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain a profitability. Hit the like button instead of it. Also subscribe as well. If you guys want more of the simplistic way of understanding how the markets really work, I don't push fundamental analysis. I don't push 8 pillars of success. I don't push how technical analysis and using technical indicators is going to increase your idea of profitability. I only push the chart. That's it. Go back and look at all my thousands of videos that I've created. You'll see the same type of information with proof that you don't need all that other trash. It only clogs your mentality and thinking. The less you try to ingest, the more powerful you are in understanding how the market is going to move. The proof is already on this channel. Go back and see a couple of them. All right, I'm done. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.